is a 2001 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited WJ with the V8. I just finished installing headlamp levelers. This is great if you're towing and it's sagging and you need to adjust your headlights. They were never offered here in Canada or the US. Power folding mirrors. Another thing that was not optioned here. Easy to install. Also, I did the 242 selec trac HD transfer case swap. This originally had quadra drive. This is a must. Did the wood grain from an overland swap. Very easy and nice. As well as the wheel and cluster. Also did the tire pressure sensors. Weren't offered in 01, but it's super easy to add on. That's nice to have. And the navigation, that's just a factory unit RB1. Works pretty good. And yeah, that's pretty much it.